Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. We got some high velocity winds out here, you know what I'm saying? So we back out here at the field and it's a lot of debris. Sheesh, we got a sweatshirt out here. It's a bunch of stuff out here. I don't know what happened. They need to do a quick cleanup out here, but I came out here to toss this plane back up in the air and see what we can do with this guy. I was flying it the last time and the sky was looking crazy, and so hopefully we'll be able to get some better visibility with this little plane from DeeRC, the Z68 I believe it is. But let's get it in the air, y'all. I don't know if we can get it to stand up in the grass right here. I've been trying and had no success, and there's people over there playing baseball, so I think I'm gonna try to hold it in my hand and take off with it in the vertical mode. Let's see if we can get that done. It's a little windy out here, so it's kind of being taken. Let's see if I can switch it. Oh man, they're saying I got a low battery, but I charged this battery up. I'm guessing it's probably the cold. Oh man, we're not going to be able to do any stunts. Well, at least we can see how well it flies. Check it out. I'm trying to fly it slow. So this one can slow down quite a bit. Flies tons better than the other one. Slows down a lot better. Can't quite get it to high alpha. Oh, it did a flip. I tried to make it do a high alpha and it actually ended up flipping over. Man, that's interesting. I wonder if I can get this guy. I wonder if I can get this guy to do that higher in the air and recover from it. Let's try. I know I shouldn't be trying this with the battery like this in this state, but I just want to see. I'm curious now, y'all. Let me slow it down and try to get it to do a flip. High alpha. There we go. I actually did a manual flip with this thing. Oh man, there's a huge hawk up there. Let's see if I can recreate that, y'all. Was it luck? Let's try to turn it around. No, it's not going to do it again. I'm getting scared because I'm all the way in the air with it. Let's see if I can do it again. Oh man. Oh no! No, not in the middle of the street. And I think that's the end of it, y'all. Oh man. Sheesh. In the middle of busy traffic, y'all. It'll be a miracle if it didn't get run over. I don't think nobody's paying attention to my little plane out there. Let's see how bad it looks. Oh, we did get across the street all the way. Sheesh, so I lucked out. Let's see if it's damaged at all. Yep, it looked like it got damaged. Ah, man. check it out, y'all. So it definitely took damage. I might have to buy another one of these guys. Sheesh. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to get another one. This thing is awesome, y'all. Before the crash and all, it was flying great. The wind kind of took it. It's pretty windy out here. I was trying to turn it, and I let off the throttle and was trying to glide it, but the wind was taking it towards the trees, and by the time I tried to give it some gas, some throttle to get it away from the trees, it was too late. And so this guy ran through the trees, and it's pretty beaten up. I might be able to glue this back together and still fly it. It looked like it still can go in the air, but I just don't like the aesthetic. I just don't like the aesthetic look of it now. And so I'm definitely going to get another one. But yeah, I think I can glue this back together. Sheesh, one of the ESCs came completely out of the body of the craft there. But yeah, I think I can probably get this fixed and still get it in the air, but I don't like the way it looks now. So I might be using this one for spare parts. So that's it, the DeeRC. I think this is called the Z68, y'all. Thanks for watching.